Hi everybody, this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you this little small pocketbook that I made. I actually am going to fill it up with little goodies for a friend of mine that is trying to organize her planner. And so I just kind of I collected a few things from my collection for my planning, and I'm going to add it to this little book. I will link in the description where I got the tutorial to and the idea of how to make this little book. So I'm just showing you my pretty much end result. So here it is. I ended up using a paper pad, and let me, I think I have down the name here. I don't know where I put it, but let me. It's a really nice paper pad. It's very floral. And it's this paper pad here. So it's a Craftsmith or Craft Smart paper pad, which has 24 designs. And I believe I got this at Michael's, and it's called Chateau, and it's really pretty. It has a lot of, like I said, florals, blues, flowers. So it's really nice. It's kind of like pastel colors, so it's really pretty. And I really wanted to use something from the collection for her. So here's a front cover. So I ended up using this page here. I added a little butterfly from, I believe it's from a collection that I bought from someone that sells on Instagram. So they kind of do these stashes. And I added this little thing here that says enjoy the little things. And so I just pretty much added little, this is going to be her little note. I'm going to write something in the back. So I just added pockets. Here I ended up adding a little, I added a little, this little die cut, but I cut it in half, so I'm going to be able to add stuff here. I added this little envelope. I put Velcro on it. I added another little, like a little pocket here. I added this little, it looks like a little pocket, but if you open it up, it has little pockets in here. I added just a little bit of embellishments there. I added this here to add like papers in here, or like stickers. So I'm pretty much adding just stickers for her to organize. On this one, I just added like these little pockets on the side. These are a little bit harder because I kind of really like just not for a lot of stuff. On this one I added another a little ephemera, just kind of made it a little for me to slide stuff in here. And obviously she's gonna be able to use this however she wants, but I'm just pretty much gifting the stuff that's inside. So here's another pocket. On this one I couldn't figure out what else to add because I was trying to move it around, like create something different. So what I did is I added a little corner pocket here and something here so that it could hold the, if it's something long. Obviously this one's gonna hang out, so I have to pick something that's smaller. I really like this little cute envelope. I added a little heart. It has a little flap, so on this I could add something here. And then I also, let me do this. I also left a little opening here so I could add something here. And finally this one I did a belly band, so I could put stuff in here, and then once again here, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna pretty much add stuff in it, and you know, just keep watching if you're interested to see how I kind of organize this little book. And then pretty much I am gonna end it with, I was trying to find something that was closer to the color, but I also wanted it to pop, so I'm gonna add this little very hot pink or magenta color, and just to tie it up to hold it together. But anyways, if you want to see, like I said, the end of it, just keep on watching.